Welcome to this episode of Moving Our World. We're at a car wreckers parts.
Yeah.
Is that what you call them?
Yeah, car wreckers parts.
A place where you can just go pick parts off the cars yourself. So we're going to go in. Andrew's got some stuff that he wants to get, so we'll see if we can get it. Look at that. Keep it playing. I guess this is a pretty good example of
It's diesel.
RD28, mate. It was quite normal when we were young to see these just chugging around like nothing, just normal. So what do you need to find? Yeah, alright, let's go down the end. L300s, yeah, these are pretty cool because
These are nice.
those are quite cool. These are really cool because the 2 litre petrol ones spin the rear up like nobody's business. It's just easy and it just does it. But they suffer from a lot of rust. The exhausts are always rusty on these. Yeah, see? As with most car wrecker places like this, if there's something you need, you kind of want to keep an eye on their Facebook page or the website and see what they update stock-wise, because...
This van
Yes?
was purchased in 2005.
Yeah, 2005. Once things come in, they get ravaged, and people do stuff like we're doing there, and just like, say if you wanted a nice manual, it's all in pieces now and everything's strewn over it. So,
At least I shut the door.
yeah. Oh, sick.
Oh, there's a charade like that.
Yeah. What's the interior like? This is what we came here in. Genob's gone. Oh, someone just chopped it out.
No, because I want the cat. It's so annoying how they do that.
Yeah. Did you need this bonnet piece?
No.
Yeah. So these are pretty interesting because they've got the...
Yeah, you can do this.
Yeah, okay, sweet. This is the head,
Rocker cover.
or the rocker cover.
And then the coil pack and the air filter box.
Yeah. Under there you can kind of see what I'm talking about. It's all connected. So I've got...
Grab a mat from, boot mat from something.
Oh yeah, stop being smart.
No, this one's broken.
It's got charade. Oh, that sucks.
Does it really say charades?
Yeah.
Is that from this guy?
Yeah.
Can't use that. Voila. Yeah.
Yeah.
I want it.
So all of them will say charade. They're in the boot.
Oh.
That's why it's...
Yeah. Shit, yeah.
It's only 2. You only got 2 places anyway.
Yeah.
What? Oil leak. It's like do it before the oil leaks on you.
With the other side, you should be able to just loosen it and it will come off because they're on a slot. Thank you.
Bolts.
Nah. This is the piece.
Nice. Alright, I'm gonna get up. It's not what I thought I'd be doing on my Saturday, but I'm not complaining. Alright, what are you looking for? A Starlet Glanzer.
I might leave this up here. I like these.
Wing roads?
The Venia.
Yeah, Avenir. The diesel one was cool. It wasn't like this though. It's too flash. Suzuki Baleno wagon. I loved these growing up. I thought they were not bad. Yeah. So as you can see, yeah, a lot of these cars are complete. Look at this. You can't even get through a conversation because it's an RVO Sport. Some of these had the 4G63 turbos. Look at that. So imagine this, a 4G63 turbo, and you've got enough room to sleep in the back of it. And they were 4-wheel drive. RVR sports gear. Where? The Nissan? What we're missing? Oh, what? Escargot. This one had a life. It had a personality.
Why is it? Look at the windshield. Only that part of the window opens.
Oh. Yeah, that's quite wild. The driver's door's not opening. I didn't realise how much room they had at the back. Like, you know they do, but...
Holy shit. Have you seen the front seat?
No. The Speedo,
It's just one bench.
Yeah, I love the bench.
I like the door for you.
Yeah, that's cool. No, you don't need to open that. Are you going to get the wheels?
No.
This and like the Nissan Pal and the Figaro, all supreme Nissans from the early 90s. This is a 91. I was born in 1991. Great year. I am on the lookout for a cool 1991 car that's not completely destroyed, so hit me up if that's you. God, I couldn't imagine having to come here and pull an engine out of a car. It would be punishing.
I've done that a few times.
Rodeo. I could never decide whether it was a rodeo or not when I was growing up.
L300.
L300 Ute, a Hi-Ace. Sorry, 200. 300's the van. That
Hi-Ace van.
Caldina. I flipped one of those. That was cool. These 16 GA16 DE.
Yeah.
I had a. Oof. I grew up driving one of those until I wrote it off. All of these dreams come here to die, and also supply other people's dreams. Orthia. These came in a. It's an Accord US wagon. Anyway, Orthia's came in a four-wheel drive and they were way cooler. Accord US wagons always had ugly tri-spokes.
Yeah.
Glanza. Alright, what does he want? They're deformed on this side. They're deformed. Yeah, this has got a 10mm there. What'd you find?
Subwoofer.
Is it actually a sub?
Was boxed subwoofer. Where's the subwoofer? It's got wires going to it. I want this. I think it lives there.
Yeah.
That's so sick. There's a Toyota Spacio over there.
I do like a good Spacio.
With a body.
Whereabouts? This general direction?
So the gold bits.
Yeah. Behind the gold Echo. Behind the gold Yaris?
Yeah.
Okay. What about the Platts? Is it behind the gold Platts? Oh, yes. Oh no, it's the crap version. So Toyota Spacio, or Spacio, but it does have this, which is quite cool. Cup holder there in the back. It's got the extra seats, which means it sucks. Does it have the drawer? So if it doesn't have the extra seats, you can fit a whole thing in the back. Flash. Anyway, it's got a spoiler, and it had like a walnut fascia on the stereo. It was pretty flash.
Yeah, boy.
So, should I message him and tell him we snapped it? Oh yeah, so you got to bring your own tools. They don't supply you tools.
Yeah.
Probably should have covered that at the start. So if you need help, you get told to go away because you don't know what you're doing, so you shouldn't be here.
Closed footwear.
Yep. Closed footwear.
That's the only rules really.
And you used to have to wear a high vis, but that was too difficult to enforce. Or something. I hope Thomas is ready to pay you like $80,000.
Yeah. I don't know how he's going to attach them.
Alto? Nice. It's very small.
One hand.
Yeah.
Is that correct? No. Is that what's in old mate's car? Tip-top car? Not
Yeah.
No, sort of. F6A.
Yeah, that's it. That's literally it. Aha. Here's your supercharger. It's in a steamer. If this was the US, someone would have paid $4 million for this imported from Japan because it's finally 30 years old. And over here,
Supercharger?
here, no one gets. Oh, they're mid-engine, so.
Look under the seat. I'd say the supercharger's still on.
Yeah. So there's supercharged petrol. But if you want to live your van life dreams, don't let your memes be dreams. Hopefully no other Daihatsu enthusiasts have taken our charade floor mats.
Yeah.
Andrew's hidden them because, as you can see, we've got too much stuff. And hold that thought, we'll see what happens. Alright, I think Andrew's found something else. Alright, anyway, Andrew has a TD27 in his Nissan D21.
This is a TD27.
Yes.
which is factory turbo,
Yes.
and mine's not, so I need some parts. The last piece.
Andrew's pulling the bumper off to see if he wants to see if there's an intercooler. He's got a turbo TD27 which doesn't have an intercooler, and it seems to go okay, but does it?
It goes alright, yeah. It could just go better.
It could just go better.
I just remembered we'll need to get the number off that Starlet.
Yeah, I'll go grab it actually.
Sorry.
That's right. While it's fresh in the MEMS, you've got to get the number off the side of the car that you're stealing things from. Otherwise, you can't steal them, basically. Number successfully got.
It is, 100% is.
What?
Little intercooler.
Oh yeah, sick.
It's very sick.
Excuse me. See? We've got a lot to carry out now.
Yeah, we can use these mats.
Whew.
There's 3 cars here actually.
So, these side skirts and
I've got this little intercooler radiator type thing, and it is tiny, eh?
it's so small. We didn't even realise it
It
was
was
there.
like
at
hiding
first.
in the guard. And then it's piping as well, which is a Daihatsu. I have 2 floor mats and 1 brace or cross member.
Sweet.
Thank you very much. Legend, thank you.
Thank you for that.
You guys have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
Video or something?
Yeah, bro. Channel's called Moving Our World. Yeah.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, buddy. How much?
170.
For all of this?
Yeah.
Nice.
Pretty happy with that.
It's like the same price as a 17-inch tyre that's not shit.
Those are good people at the booth there. Didn't charge for, individual bolts or hose clamps.
Yeah. Is that something you run into quite a bit?
Yeah, I've had it before where they'll be like, they'll look at the piece and go, oh yeah, there's 1 bolt there, $2.
Yeah.
This bolt, $3.
Yeah. That was a success, man. 3-cylinder power.
The prices.
Yeah, let's have a look. Okay, so at the top we've got...
Speakers from a Starlet for $15.
Yep.
Large side skirt 19 each and a filler panel 19. Oh yeah.
There's left and right, not large.
So all of those 4 pieces 19 each.
Yeah.
Intercooler $38. 2 radiator hoses.
Yeah.
Floor mats. And a moulding.
So if they charge you individually for all those intercooler piping bits, that could easily be $250, $300.
Well, it's $7 each pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's probably 8 pipes there.
Wow. Cool. Well, that was a successful mission. At Pick a Part in Tauranga here in New Zealand. We got a whole bunch of parts, paid $170, and yeah, stoked as. We were there for about an hour and a half, maybe.
Yeah.
And this video is going to be 12 to 15 minutes long, so there's a lot of cuts. But yeah, super stoked.
Thanks for coming along.